At first glance, a war between the US and Iran seems like a disaster for India. Soaring oil prices, disrupted trade, economic chaos. But what if I told you this very conflict could make India one of the most powerful nations in the next 10-20 years? Sounds impossible. Let's decode why. India imports nearly 90% of its crude oil, much of it through the Strait of Hormuz, one of the world's most critical energy checkpoints. A war in the Middle East sends shockwaves through India's economy. Prices spike, trade routes are disrupted, and global markets tremble. That's the short term risk. But as with every crisis, opportunity often lies hidden beneath the chaos. India is unique. Unlike most nations, it has strong ties with multiple rival powers, strategic cooperation with the United States, defense and technology ties with Israel, trade and energy partnership with the Gulf countries, historical and cultural links with Iran. In a world splitting into competing blocs, India's ability to engage with all sides positions it as a global mediator, a country that can bridge divides where others cannot. The war reminds the world maritime checkpoints are power points. The Strait of Hormuz, Red Sea, and Persian Gulf aren't just maps. They are the arteries of global energy and trade. India, as the largest naval power in the region, could protect these sea lanes, stabilize trade, and emerge as the ultimate security provider in the Indian Ocean and Indo-Pacific. Over the next decade, this could elevate India from regional power to global maritime authority. When the Middle East shakes, global investors look for stability. India's democracy, massive consumer market, and growing manufacturing base make it a safe haven. Companies moving production away from unstable regions will likely invest in India, boosting industrial output, technology transfers, and long-term economic power. Even amid conflict, Iran remains key to India's connectivity strategy. The Chabahar Port Corridor links India to Afghanistan and Central Asia, bypassing Pakistan entirely. If trade routes across Eurasia are reshaped, India could become the bridge between South Asia, the Middle East, and the Central Asia, controlling a network of trade and influence that spans continents. Yes, a US-Iran war creates immediate economic pressure, but it accelerates global power shift. Countries that stay stable, flexible, and strategically positioned often emerge stronger. Over the next 20 years, India could become a geopolitical bridge connecting rival powers, a dominant maritime force in the Indian Ocean, and global economic hub, attracting investment from all over the world. In international politics, crises weaken rigid systems, but elevate nations that can balance competing interests, and India is uniquely positioned to do just that. So the next time you hear about oil prices or Middle East conflicts, remember India's long-term power could be the hidden story no one is talking about. And in the coming decades, the nation that navigates this crisis wisely could reshape the world order itself. If you want to understand how global power is truly shifting, subscribe and decode live with us.